Solving square roots of negative numbers. Today's topics negative square root. Welcome to SADX. Our question, negative root of 81 times negative root of 4. So what do you think? How can we solve this one? First, one thing I want to discuss. We know root A times root B means root A B. So this one we can write root minus 81 times root minus 4. So as per this one we can write a root minus 81 times minus root 4. Okay, then minus and minus become plus, so 81 times 4 is a multiplication of this. So root 81 it means 9 times root 4 means 2, so our answer is 18. What do you think? Is it right answer? No. If you write this one, you will get 0. Okay, you will get 0. So what is the exact answer? So express the square roots of negative number in terms of I. Okay, look, root minus 1, we can say this one is I, imaginary number. You cannot root. Okay, so recall that. So I equals to minus negative root. Okay, therefore negative root of 81, this one we can write root 81 times root minus 1 equals to, so this one we can write 9 and this one we can write I. Okay, similar, root minus 4 we can write root 4 times root minus 1 equals to, root 4 means 2 and root minus 1 or negative root means imaginary number I. Now we simplify, like once we multiply this one, so 9I times 2I become 18I square. Okay, so we know I square equals to minus 1. So the result is 18 I square equals to 18 times minus 1 equals to minus 18. So minus 18 is our exact answer. So what do you think? If you follow this rule, it's okay, but for negative exponent you should careful about imaginary number. I hope you clear this one. Maximum student will make wrong. Okay, so from now you will not make any wrong. So our answer is minus 18. Thank you very much for being with me. From now in my channel SADX, I will try to solve these kinds of complex math or negative exponent type math. Okay, so thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section.